Hey guys, welcome to the Basic Spark. Today we are unboxing 15.3-inch MacBook Air M2 chip, and it has 16GB RAM and it has 512GB internal SSD storage. So without further ado, let's get started. So I have bought this laptop from Apple website around 1700 pound. If you are a student and you want to buy this laptop, you can get 10% discount from Unidays. There are 4 different colors available on the website, but I like the Starlight, so I went ahead with that. Inside the box, we have charging cable, which is approximate 2 meter in length, and we have user manual and adapter. In adapter, you will get 2 choices. One is 35 watt and another one is 70 watt, from which I chose 70 watt adapter. So now let's have a look at the MacBook. It's weighed around 1.5 kg. What makes this more impressive is that the new model has a larger and brighter display as well. Overall, the look of the MacBook is quite sleek and elegant. It has 2 USB port and massive 3 charging point. It's around 11 mm thick, which makes thinner and lighter than the previous model, and 3.5 mm headphone jack. Now let's switch on the laptop and have a look. As we can see, the 15.3-inch display looks bigger and the appearance is quite bright and stunning. So I will quickly set up the MacBook. Now let's move on and check the performance of the MacBook. I have done the disk speed test. We can see that the speed for read and write data is 3000 MB, which is almost 3 GB per second, which is impressive. To check the installation speed, I have downloaded Eclipse, which is a software development environment. So let's download the software and begin the installation process. Earlier, I have downloaded the same software in Windows. It took around 3 to 5 minutes for installing the same software. Whereas in Mac, the installation speed will be way better than the Windows, as you will see. As you can see, it took me around 10 to 15 seconds to download this software, which is way better than Windows. Now let's look at the features of MacBook Air M2 chip. It has unified memory architecture, which means CPU, GPU and other processor components do not require to copy data between one another. This memory architecture means that the RAM is not user upgradable. Coming to the comparison between M1 and M2 chip, Geekbench benchmark have confirmed that M2 chip is up to 20% faster than M1 chip when it comes to multi-core performance. As you can see, the multi-core performance over here is for M2 chip is 20% faster than M1 chip. And when it comes to computation power, M2 chip is 30% faster than M1. And you can see the rendering time for exporting 4K video is almost half as compared to M1 chip. To examine the video and audio quality, here are some short clips.